Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today with another special series. I saw this picture of Pewdiepie which his wife posted on her Instagram and something came into my mind. Why not starting a series of turning celebrities or famous movie characters into anime characters? I think that's a very good idea and I'm sure you guys would love to see something like this too. So, for all the people who don't know Pewdiepie, he is the biggest YouTuber on this planet. He has incredible 105 million subscribers. Well, maybe even 106 million by now. That's an amazing number. 1 million subs would be a great and big milestone for me, but I'm sure we will reach that someday. As we can see, Pewdiepie, with the real name of Felix, is working out a lot. He is really in a good shape. Not very muscular, but he is very lean. I have to say I'm not really watching any videos of Pewdiepie because it's not the kind of content which I like. But that doesn't mean that it's bad content, it's just nothing of my taste. But I'm sure he's a great guy and I will draw him as a Super Saiyan today. If you think starting this series is a good idea, give this video a like so I will know that you want to see more of this. For the pose I will use this drawing of Zala77s from Instagram. Make sure to check him out, I'm sure he will be very happy about it, link below. I love the pose and it fits very well to the picture of Pewdiepie. As you guys know, I like to draw my characters very muscular and ripped, but today I want to keep the Saiyan very close to the original character. So I will draw Felix Super Saiyan less muscular but still lean and ripped, also shirtless as in an image and with black pants. I will give him a full beard and longer hair as in his older videos. Okay guys, sketch done and I think he's looking very cool. As you can see, I gave him a blue flame around his hand and I left out the tattoos because I couldn't really recognize them fully, so I thought leaving them completely out would be the better choice.
No.
So guys, line work done and Fadix Super Saiyan is ready to get colored. I will use touch twin markers with Copic Show markers for the skin today. Looking great. For the hair I will use Ohuhu markers with Copic Show markers. You guys ask me a lot about cheaper alternatives to Copic Show markers and I can recommend you these Ohuhu markers 100%. They are also alcohol based and way cheaper. And a Super Saiyan needs an aura. Therefore I will use color pencils with Copic Show markers. Now I'm drawing the shape of the aura with a yellow color pencil and after that I will add a light yellow layer with a Copic Show marker. So guys, last touch and then we are done with a new drawing. And I think it turned out amazing. I think he resembles Pewdiepie very well. The shading is highlighting the muscles very good, and I really like his nasty smile and the confident stand. The hair and the aura also turn out very good. The only thing I'm not 100% happy with is the blue shading of the hand. It's a bit too dark and does not really fit to the blue flame. Other than that, Felix Super Saiyan turned out very good, and if we put both pictures side by side, you can see the similarity. Okay guys, this was very fun to do, but now it's your turn. I want you to share this drawing on PewDiePie's Instagram so he sees it. That would be huge. Also give this video a like if you enjoyed it and if you want me to continue this series. Let me know in the comments below which celebrity or movie character you want to see as an anime character next. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Check out my real-time drawing channel and follow me on Instagram. All the links down below. That's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.